All right, guys. So today is Monday, July 28th, 2025, and it's currently 9:30 a.m. my time at the moment. So as you can see, I'm currently in on this USD JPY buy at the moment. So price tagged me in this morning, and as you can see, the price have already hit 2 hours. So it's time to break even, as you all know. And also, I got into another trade on GPP USD this morning as well. So I took this trade, this sell on GPP USD this morning, and as you can see, price went to about 1:1 hour, and price is returning to my entry level at the moment. So let's go straight to the account and break even, and also see the this particular trade as well. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's break even together, as you can see. So we're on the 5K account at the moment. 148629. Yeah. So and I also set my TP as well, so that price can hit my TP once it gets my TP. And here is both trade running on the 5K account, as you can see. So as you can see, both the GPP and USD JPY trade, and we are left with this balance as well. So the first trade is already risk free. That's the USD JPY trade is already risk free at the moment. So I'll update you guys on the outcome of this trade and also how today goes. Yeah, cheers. All right, guys. So today is Tuesday, 29th of July, 2025, and it's currently 7:30 a.m. my time. So I'm in on this GPP USD sell, as you can see on your screen. So price just tagged me in right now, so I'm in. And also the trade I took yesterday on GPP USD and USD JPY, both of them smashed TP, as you can see right here. And here is the USD JPY trade as well, as you can see. So the trade also smashed TP here. And the good thing about this yesterday's trade is the fact that I passed my evaluation stage yesterday, as you can see. So I have passed the phase 1 account. So and this particular trade I took this morning on GPP USD, this particular trade right here. So I took this trade on phase 2 account right now. So this is the phase 1 account, as you can see. So I have passed it, and I have already logged in my phase 2 account, and that's where I took this current trade. So let's go straight to the account and see how the account looks like, and how this trade looks like. And as well, I'm watching another setup on USD JPY. So if I was able to take it, I will also update you guys, and also I will update you guys on how today runs out entirely. Yeah. Alright, guys, so here we are on the phase 2 account, as you can see. So this is the first trade I'm taking on this account, and as you can see, we are running in profit of $16.6 profit at the moment. So I'll update you guys on how this trade goes, and how today runs out as usual. So I'll update you guys actually. So this is the equity curve of that phase 1 account. So I'll update you guys. Stay tuned. Cheers. Alright, guys, so the trade just hit 2 hour at the moment, and if you know me by now, you know that I normally break even at 2 hour. So I'll be taking you guys straight to the account. Let's break even together as usual. Yeah. So yeah, let's break even together as usual. I've already typed the number 1330878. So yeah, I just break even right now, as you guys can see. And here is the trade running on the 5K account, as you can see. So I will update you guys on the outcome of this trade and how today goes. I will update you guys as usual. Cheers. Alright, guys, so today is on Wednesday, 30th of July 2025, and it's currently 6:30 a.m. my time at the moment. So looking at your screen closely, you'll see that I'm in a trade now on USD JPY. So price actually tagged me in late yesterday, so and I couldn't record it that yesterday. So but this morning now waking up, so I saw that the price have already hit 2 hour. And if you know me, you know by now that I normally break even at 2 hour, and I close my trade at 3 hours. So I'll be taking you guys straight to the account now. We'll break even together and also set our TP as well. And also not forgetting that the trade I took yesterday as well on GPP USD, the trade smashed 2 hours, so I broke even. After my break even, so the trade returned back and stopped me out, as you can see right here. So that was the result of that yesterday's trade. So I'll be taking you guys straight to the account. So let's also see the history of this trade and how much we are left with at the moment. Yeah. Alright guys, so first thing first, this is the trade of yesterday. This is the history, as you can see. So I closed it for break even at $1.68 profit, as you can see. And also here is today's trade running. As you can see, we are running in profit of approximately $68.45 at the moment. So let's break even here and also set my TP as well. Yeah, let's break even together, as you can see. So okay, so 8 sorry 06. So yeah, I just break even now and set my TP as it, and here is the trade running, and this is the balance we are left with at the moment. So I'll update you guys on how this trade goes and also how today goes, because I'm still watching another opportunity on GPP USD. So if I was able to take the opportunity trade, I will update you guys as usual. Cheers. Alright guys, the trade on USDJPY just smashed TP at the moment, as you can see. So the trade have hit my take profit. So let's go straight to the account to check how much I made and the balance we are left with. And also I'll watch the market closely to see if I'll get another opportunity for today. And if I see anyone, I will update you guys as usual. Yeah, so here is the history of the trade on USDJPY on the 5K account. As you can see, so I made $78.96 on the 5K account. And we are left with this balance at the moment on the 5K account, as you can see. So I'll update you guys on how today runs. I'll update you guys as usual. Cheers. Alright guys, so let's talk. I just want to chip in something here, right? The thing is that personally, I'm this kind of person that is rigid in somehow, right? So I would say that I'm rigid. So I don't really like it when something starts working for a while and stop working, that kind of a thing. So I like everything to be in an organized way and to perform like that. So I'm that kind of person. I'm not that easily flexible, right, with things. So at the end of the day, trading this particular strategy and the forex market now for about 3 years. One of the things I'm afraid of at this point in time, because first of all, this particular month has been a successful month for my trading, right? You guys, or you all can see it. You can see all the wins and how the whole thing went on as I keep on documenting the whole thing. So my fear at this very point in time is for this to stop working at any given point in time from now. And the thing is that it has happened before. It happened last year. It happened. I keep on tweaking that kind of a thing. Actually, initially, I was just jumping from one strategy to another before I decided to stick with this one. And since I stick with this one, sometimes the market condition will not favor it, that kind of a thing. And for me to tweak it again, and once I tweak it, it will be as if I'm starting afresh. So that's just basically my fear at this moment. Will this stop working at some point in time? Will the market conditions stop favoring it at some point in time again, as it did in the past? And all of that. So I just have these particular questions popping up in my head every given day, right? So I'm just afraid of that. I won't lie. I'm just afraid of that. And because actually I have these cars, not only from Forex, but also from crypto, which is the market I was trading initially that before I migrated to Forex, right? So, all this uncertainty and all of that. So it messed up with my psychology and all of that. So I'm still trying to work on it. But I just have this fear in me. Will it stop working and all of that? So, but I think the way I'm handling things this particular moment, I think, is very, very different from the past. So that's just one thing that I normally fall back to once I have this question and all of that. Because yeah, at the end of the day, there are some times that you will tweak your strategy. It will favor the market will favor your strategy, but not that the market is in a good market condition, right? And there are sometimes that your strategy, the market will favor it because the market is reacting in a certain way. For instance, if you are trading demand and supply, so you need the market to be in a trend, but not a super trend, something like, will I say, channel, for you to like get your strategy. Then if you are trading a kind of a breakout and all of that, you want the market to be in a super trend. So it doesn't have to pull back deep, that kind of a thing. So if you are someone whose super trend only favors your strategy, then you will know that during that channel, during a low liquidity in the market, then you may lose or you may not get an entry. And I think this where my confidence come from, right? Because my past strategy, if it's not winning, then it's losing money in the market. But this particular one, now the way I have tweaked it is still the same thing, but just my entry. It's still the same trend following and all of that, but I just tweaked my entry. So the way I have tweaked the entry, if it's not making money, best believe that I won't be taking much stupid trade if the trend is not working. So that's one of the things I have as a confidence. And also, there are sometimes that your strategy will work, that your strategy will how will I put it? Your strategy will align with the market structure, because at the end of the day, no matter, we all know that this market is not a one-way thing. Like as we describe it to be higher highs and higher lows, then when you come to the chart, you understand and realize that it's not the same thing as we were taught. But at the end of the day, no matter what, that higher highs and higher lows is still the basic of the trend, right? So, and no matter what, trend will still keep on respecting it, no matter what. No matter how the market misbehave, it will still fall back to higher highs and higher low, that kind of a thing. So there are times that there are some strategies that fall in place that actually works hands in hand with the market, the way the market is structured. So I think that based on my entry strategy and all of that I have tweaked at this point, that they work, that they favor, that the normal market structure favors them, right? So that's just the confidence I have. Like once I have all of these questions popping up, that's one of the things I fall back to, I go back to check. And the fact that it's favoring all of this, I think it will be a good one. And one other thing is that if you have bought TradingView Premium, you will understand that even the premium have a limited amount of chart it can give you. So I have used that premium before, but right now I'm not using the premium again. So the reason why I'm chipping in this is for people that will be as if like, okay, that I have not backtested my strategy in the past, right? The thing is that there are limits to what you can backtest while backtesting the past results, right? There are limits, like just like me now that also have my entry strategy on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and all of that. So there are limits to what I can, to the length I can go in terms of going to the past performance, right? So no matter the premium plan I'm using, right? So like just with even with 1 hour, you can't go far back to up to 2 years with free plan. Then with premium plan, you may be seeing like 3 years or so, and that's all. Then talk more of 5 minutes and all of that. So you won't actually see that far actually. So no matter what, there are limits to what you can backtest. So it's not a backtesting thing actually. So I think it's something that someone will have to work. But at the end of the day, based on the experience I have had trading the same strategy in the past, and what I think is the problem and what my journal have told me so far, I think that at this point that the strategy is set, right? So there's nothing much. So that's just one thing that's bothering me, and I just thought to put it out here. All right, so if your strategy is sucking, check if it aligns with the real market structure, the way the market is structured. Because no matter what, no matter how the market behave, it will still fall back to higher highs and higher low in trend, and the lower lows and lower highs in downtrend as well. So, and it will still fall back to that range. It may spike up and spike down in range, but at the end of the day, it will still fall back to that range, to that limit at which it can go when it's in a range, right? So if your strategy aligns with this market structure, I think it will, with your consistency and all of that, I think that will show a lot of difference in your trading journey. So that's just all I have to say at this point. So let's continue with the trading documentation, right? Yeah. All right, guys. So we are coming to the end of this documentation, as you can see. So actually, if you look at your screen closely, you'll see that I took another trade on that Wednesday, which is this particular trade right here. And the trade stopped me out actually, but I couldn't record it immediately, which is this one. So that's how I lost that trade. And also I also took another one on Thursday, as you can see, which is this particular one here. So the trade went to 1:2, so I broke even, and the trade returned back and stopped me out before it hit my supposed take profit. So that's how we see it. Let's go straight to the account to see the history of these trades, and also to see what we have left on the account. Yeah. All right, guys. So here we are on the 5K account, phase 2, as you can see. So the trade I closed for a break even, I made about $3 on that trade, and this is the loss of the second trade I showed you guys on USD JPY, on GPP USD solely. So that's how we see it for the week. And on this phase 2 account, I made a profit of $59 for this week. Remember, this is phase 2, so I've already passed the phase 1 account, and we are left with this balance on the 5K account, which is $5,054.53 on the 5K account at the moment. So that will be all for this week, and that will be all for this month as well, which is the month of July, as you can see. So this month of July was a profitable month. Actually, I closed the whole trade with about 12.5 R profit, though I did not take everything, though. I think I missed one or two trades due to the Willis Capital issue. So before I got this 5% as account. So, and that's how we end the week, and that's how we end the month. So we'll come again and see what we can do by next week, and if the market permits us. So that will be all, guys. Cheers. Thanks a lot for staying tuned.